Hey guys, back to the basics here. So I woke up this morning to let my chickens out, and there's Spiky. I had to take Spiky away from her mother, but I seen a bunch of cracked eggshells, and Tati has a little situation going on down here. She has two little ones. Where are they at, Tati? Show me them. Let me see them, Tati. Come on, Tati. There's one. There they are. There's two little babies. Put them back underneath her. Sorry, Tati. Yeah, she has two little babies. How about that? And Spiky's mad because I took her out of there. But she's grown. She's old enough to be away from her mother. Look how big she is. She's a freaking big baby, so she needs to start learning anyways. But thanks for watching, guys.